সব লেটেস্ট আপডেট পেতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের চ্যানেলে আর বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করতে ভুলবেন না।
Talking about vaccine, BJP National President JP Nadda has slammed the opposition, saying that the opposition are playing politics over vaccination process. Now, what happened to them? They themselves are taking vaccine. So, how do you reply to this?
I don't understand why Nadda is saying like this. Is he aware of the facts that because of their negligence, because of their totally, they were interested only Bengal politics, Bengal election. Even after Bengal election also, they want to divide the Bengal. So to implement that policy, they didn't allow people to take precaution before second wave. 6 months, 8 months, what they have done? Nothing. Because of them, they are responsible for this second wave. And for second wave also, they have not given vaccine to the state in a proper manner. Distribution system was totally, absolutely wrong. There are some BJP states, they gave good vaccine. The party office is distributing some vaccines in Gujarat, but the others are not. What they have given? Now also they said from 21st. Means when Prime Minister addressed the nation, the 15 days already lost. Can you imagine then who is responsible? Why opposition will play with a disease? I think BJP is a big disease for everybody. They cannot accept the public verdict. They cannot accept the people's agitation. They cannot accept the public demand. They cannot accept that second wave so many persons died. Even you have seen in Uttar Pradesh, where you will get the number? Where is the authenticate number? The dead bodies are lying with the river, and that dead body is coming to Bengal from Bihar, UP. Don't you think they should be same? We are waiting to see we are watching and we are waiting to see that it should be as early as possible, because now the COVID situation is totally controlled. So I think within 7 days time they can do the by-election. There is no need for giving so much time for the candidates. Even our by-election is pending, even within out of 294 also 2 by-election, that 2 election is pending in Murshidabad, and now it is about 7. So I think the Bengal the election, we are waiting for that when election commission, I came to know that when Prime Minister will give the instruction, then only they will do the by-election. If it is so, then I will request the Prime Minister clear the by-election, because now the situation is okay. But if the third wave come, then you cannot do anything. Why? Within 6 months it is the system. And now when we organize the election, that time the COVID positive rate was 33%, and now it came down to 3.61, and within 10 days it will be 1 or 2. So don't you think that 33% they can organize the election, and only 1 to 3% they cannot organize the election, and it is also only few sporadic area. There is no contiguity. It is only some areas to areas. There also we don't need many time. We will need only small time.
Over the former Chief Secretary issue, when you had said the chapter is completely closed, now again DOPP has sent a memorandum to the former Chief Secretary.
I think he is a competent person. He is an honest officer, bright officer. He worked whole of his life with dedication, determination, devotion. You show me some officers like Alapon Bandyopadhyay. এবং he is totally authorized to take action as per his convenience. Our government will give full support to him, and central government must know you are victimizing an officer who have lost within these 15-20 days his younger brother his nephew, his mother, 3 he lost. And this boy is mentally, he is some agony because whole life he worked for the country and now you are giving this type of befitting reply. But we will not allow this. It is irresponsible behavior and we will fight the battle whatever we can. তো ইচ্ছা করে করছে, ওরা তো আইন মানছে না। গায়ের জোরে যদি কেউ ভাবে আমি একজন সেলফিশ জায়েন্ট হব, তো গায়ের জোর দেখাচ্ছে। গায়ের জোরে তো আইন চলে না, আইন তো আইনের মতো চলবে, আইনে যাবে, আইন বুঝবে, ল উইল টেক ইটস ওন কোর্স। দেশটা তো শুধু বিজেপির নয়, কটা রাজ্যে ক্ষমতায় আছে, ম্যাক্সিমাম রাজ্যে অপোজিশনরা ক্ষমতায় আছে, তো গায়ের জোর চলবে কোত্থেকে? রাজীব গান্ধীরও 400 মেজরিটি ছিল, কখনো তিনি এসব করতেন না। মেজরিটি ছিল, কত মেজরিটি আছে এই সরকারের? 300 মাত্র মেজরিটি নিয়ে এত বড় বড় কথা কিসের? আর আজকে সরকার আছে, 24-এ তো নাও থাকতে পারে, তখন অন্য সরকার আসবে, আজ যা নিয়ম করছে সে নিয়মগুলো তারা পাল্টে দিতে পারে। গায়ের জোরে নিয়ম হয় না। কনস্টিটিউশন যেমন আছে দেশের, একটা কনভেনশন আছে, এবং ইন্ডিয়ান কনস্টিটিউশন ইজ দ্য ইম্পর্টেন্ট কনস্টিটিউশন অ্যান্ড ইজ দ্য পিলার অফ ডেমোক্রেসি। যা ইচ্ছা গায়ের জোরে করা যায় না, জাস্ট হাত তুললো আর ভয়েস ভোটে পাশ করে দিল গায়ের জোরে, এটা হয় না। ঠিক আছে, এটা আমি বলেছি অফিসারের নিজের সিদ্ধান্ত, সে যেভাবে বলবে আমরা সেভাবেই তাকে সাহায্য করব। ইট ইজ হিজ অ্যাবসলিউটলি ওন ডিসিশন। এবং all the IAS, IPS officers of this country is giving full solidarity to him. It is not his battle that he is fighting alone. It is the battle of IAS and IPS officers. They are fighting the battle together. And one day they will realize when they will become zero. ঠিক আছে?
রাজ্যের হিউম্যান রাইটস কমিশন